Well, Chris, that was a good win against a good side, and to think it's the last opportunity before playing in the European Championships as a home match, not a bad way to entertain the fans as well tonight.
No, it was good, and fair play, you know, our fans were very good tonight. Made a lot of noise for us. So it was a good night. Another new cap, Emma Hughes, who played very well, showed a lot of maturity in that performance, and good night all round. You know, I was a little bit critical of the lads in the end. In the second half, we were 3-1 up. We've got to go and score another one because we were on top, and then we got a little bit too confident and cocky, and we started giving the ball away. We've got to learn that lesson. You know, we did that where really against Finland we were comfortable 1-0 up, and they scored last kick of the game almost because we didn't close the game out. And so that's, you know, a little criticism, but overall I thought, you know, the work rate was excellent. We were more positive second half than we were first. We passed the ball better, and we scored some good goals.
Joe, a good team performance, but just first of all, you must have been very proud you had the armband at the end of the game there.
Yeah, a massive added bonus to tonight's game performance from a personal point of view. You know, it's always a great honour to represent your country, and obviously to get that chance tonight. Yeah, it's a massive moment for me. Yeah, like I say, they had a great campaign, and we're very lucky to miss out on obviously going to the World Cup. So no, they're a tough team. Obviously, players like Gylfi Sigurdsson, who I know really well, and yeah, the performance level was great to overcome a tough team. I think it's 4 games unbeaten now, and like you say, it's not. You know, it's not long before we get the campaign underway, so a great time to build that kind of momentum. And yeah, hopefully, if we keep going with this little run, then we'll be fully prepared when the campaign gets underway.
We're a team at our best when we use the ball properly, and you know, there's going to be spells in any game, no matter who we play against, where the opposition are going to have the ball on top, and we've just got to sit in and bide our time. But when we get it, we've got to use it better than we did probably in the first half. I felt we did that second half. We were more enterprising in our play, and you know, we got our just rewards.
Just to finish it off, Gareth Bale, a fantastic individual goal, but I suppose it doesn't surprise people anymore.
No, it doesn't. I mean, you know, every time he meets up and plays, he's getting better and better, which I didn't think was possible. You know, he's obviously a massive asset for us. You know, a key player, and you know, if you can give us those kind of performances, he's gonna be a match winner for us.
Well, that's why he's playing for Real Madrid, and that's why he's the most expensive player on the planet, and rightly so, because, you know, you'd pay money to watch what he did tonight for sure. Absolutely fantastic. You know, he's breathtaking, really, what he's capable of, and you know, just having him on the pitch is a threat for the opposition, and he certainly never disappointed Iceland.